This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript programming language for beginners, easy method. Start by installing Node and a code editor, then write small programs and practice daily. Focus on fundamentals like variables, functions, loops, and objects while building tiny projects. Use online interactive tutorials, join a friendly coding community, and read concise documentation. Track progress, review mistakes, and refactor code, often to build confidence as you learn. In this section, we dive into the core concepts that make JavaScript powerful and flexible for beginners. Start with scope and closures to understand variable lifetime and behavior. Practice asynchronous code, through promises, and async await to handle real-world tasks smoothly. Experiment with DOM manipulation to make interactive pages and build small utilities that respond to user input. Keep explanations simple and repeat ideas with short examples for clarity. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading programming ebooks and docs on the go. With a crisp screen and long battery life, I find it handy between coding sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a snack, and now let's get back to the video. Choose bite-sized projects that reinforce one concept each and finish them quickly to maintain momentum. Start with a to-do list to practice state and DOM updates, then build a calculator to solidify functions and input handling. Try cloning a header to learn layout and simple interactions. Share code, get feedback, and refactor with new knowledge. Small wins compound fast and keep learning enjoyable and practical for beginners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.